plan for us today. So we are doing one of my versus videos, and we are looking at J.Crew factory versus Walmart. And I'm gonna be totally honest with you, I'm doing this on the fly. I don't even know which one I'm gonna choose yet until the end, and then I will give you my verdict. If we were doing regular J.Crew versus Walmart, I would probably pick Walmart every time, just because the prices at J.Crew can be very high. But J.Crew factory has great deals, you guys. The sale prices are amazing and they have good quality. So I am really curious how this is gonna end up here. So we're gonna jump right in. I will link everything at the video description, or those shopping tags will be popping up as we go. First, we're going to compare these little red smocked tops. Now, this is probably the most similar item in the entire video, the most similar comparison. When I do these comparison type videos, just an FYI, I am not necessarily looking for exact lookalikes. I'm looking for the essence of the outfit, the kind of thing that you wouldn't want two of them in your closet. Very similar items, similar vibe, but they're not going to be exact. But these actually are pretty darn close. So this is the Walmart one, tangled up in the hanging part here, but this is the Walmart one, and this has that little bit more of a ruffle top here. It is more like of a boat neck, and then it's got a wider peplum at the bottom, smocked all the way through. This one is also kind of more of an orangey red color and not your true like deep red. And I have the medium in this one. I sized up in this one just thinking it would fit pretty tight, and it does because it is this smocked material. This one is 100% cotton. The J.Crew one is also 100% cotton. I think this one is $34. I believe the Walmart is $14. This one is definitely a softer material. They're both 100% cotton, but this is kind of that stiffer cotton material. This is that really soft, almost like a jersey type of cotton. This one does not have as big of a peplum on the bottom, and it's more of a rounded neckline, not as much of a boat neck, and it doesn't have that kind of ruffle collar. So this one, they're pretty similar. I do think the sale price is a great buy at Walmart right now for $14, but based on quality, fit, everything, I think I'm gonna choose the J.Crew one for this one. I personally like it better without the ruffle at the collar. I find that a little bit bothersome, and this one just feels a little bit more comfortable and stretchy and easy to wear. Next, we have these striped t-shirt dresses. Again, these are similar, not exact, but they are very, very similar vibes. So we'll go over the J.Crew one first this time. This is a 100% cotton. This one's got the collared detail here, and then it's kind of like a Henley top right here. It is a very soft, very high quality cotton material. It's nice and stretchy. I got my true size small in this, and it's a good length as well. It's not too short, but it is more in that mini dress family. And this one comes in several color options, and this is actually on insane deal right now at J.Crew Factory. I think it is 20 something, maybe 29. Really, really good deal. I think it's over 60% off right now. Our Walmart one also happens to be on major sale, and this one I believe is down to $16, which is an absolutely crazy price point for this. This is also 100% cotton, very similar quality, if not even higher quality on the Walmart one. This one's a little bit thicker. This kind of has more of that stretch to it. I prefer it to not be super stretchy and kind of clingy when I'm doing a dress like this, especially one that's horizontally striped. I like it to kind of hang loose from my body and not cling to it. I also love the lattice tie-up detail on the Walmart one. I think this makes it look so expensive. I've seen one at Nordstrom for $80 that was very, very similar to this. I also like the rolled sleeve here, and the navy stripe is just so classic. Otherwise, they're pretty similar. They both have that little slit at the bottom, similar length and fabric makeup. So for me, this one is definitely Walmart as the winner. You're getting an insanely good deal price on this. This is also a good deal. Can't go wrong here, but I prefer the details, the fit, and the price point of this one. Next, we have these purple maxi dresses, and I've got to tell you, purple is a color that I never really had in my wardrobe until recently, and I am just feeling drawn to this. I don't know if it's the summer heat or whatever, but I just think this color is so fun, and I love it in a maxi dress like this that's really just easy and fun to style. So we're gonna go over the Walmart one first here. This one is $30 price point. We've got a smocked top here and then a kind of flow out at the bottom. This one is 100% cotton, but again, it is kind of that stiffer type of cotton material and not that jersey soft type cotton material. This one does have pockets on both sides. I love that they did an adjustable strap here. This is always a win in my book, especially if you're doing something smocked like this. I feel like it is very important that this is not slipping down, and I like that you can customize the strap length on this one. It's stretchy, it's comfy. I have no problems with this. I think it's a gorgeous color. But then we have the J.Crew factory one, and y'all, the comfort level on this one is truly what does it for me here. So this is 100% cotton on the skirt, but it's that kind of cotton gauze type material. So this is a little bit easier and breezier to wear, I feel like, especially in the summertime. It's a little bit more lightweight. And then this is that tinsel modal fabric on the top that's very stretchy, very comfy. This does not have an adjustable strap, but it fits really well here. It's not slipping down, it's not too big. And then they both have pockets on both sides. This one is, I believe, $34.50. So honestly, price point, pretty comparable here. To me, the no-brainer is the J.Crew one on this. I just feel like when I put this on, I feel like I'm wearing nothing. Like, it is so soft, so easy, so comfortable. And because of the smocked detailing here and just the type of fabric that they used, I still love this one. There's nothing wrong with it. I just find this one significantly more comfortable to wear in the summer heat than this. This is one that I actually want to make mention of though. This is a different color, so it didn't work quite as well for the comparison, but I want to tell you about this one because this is that 100% more cotton gauze material and has the comfort level of the J.Crew factory one. So if you're not sold on the purple color and you don't mind it being in black, I think this is a fantastic option from Walmart, and this one is on sale for I believe $14, which is a better price point than either of the other two. This one's more of a flowy kind of vibe, so it doesn't have that more fitted top, so it wasn't quite the same look, but it is the same material. It's kind of a similar vibe. It's got the adjustable strap here, and this one is very comfy. So if you just want the comfort level, I think this is a great swim cover up, great piece for summer, and a $14 price point. This is probably my favorite two items from this video. These are some pull-on skirts, and in this kind of fun Americana color palette. Clearly I loved the J.Crew one because I also got this in the top version, but we're gonna go over all the details for both. So I am going to start with the J.Crew. I wore this to church recently and I got stopped, I think 4 separate times for people complimenting this pattern, the skirt. They were like, that is so gorgeous, and I agree. I love the red, white, and blue, and even though the 4th of July is over, this color palette is not going anywhere. This is very classic American summer, and you can wear this year round, and I think this one does look a little bit more dressy, so this is one that you could definitely wear for workwear. It is pull-on, and this is more of an A-line fit, so it flares out a little bit. It does have pockets. It's so comfortable to wear, and I just think the print on this is gorgeous. This one is mostly cotton. It's 98%, I think, cotton, and it has 2% elastane in it just for that little bit of comfort and stretch. But this one is a higher price point even at the sale price. So they have it listed for half off right now, which puts it at $59. So still a bit of a high price point, especially compared to the Walmart one, which we will go over next. So this is also pull on. I don't like the print on this as well. I think this print and pattern is just gorgeous, but it still gives you the red, white, and blue. This one is 100% cotton, so it's also great quality. And in this case, the cottons are very similar. This one has that tiny bit of elastane in it that gives it a little bit more stretch. But to feel these, they feel very comparable. They're both soft and comfortable. This one is elastic in the back, and then it's got the button down in the front and a drawstring here. This one is not an A-line fit, so this is a little bit more of a straight fit, but it does have the slits on both sides and the pockets. The main thing I love about this one is that it is on sale for $18. So this one is actually a very hard comparison for me. I thought about just saying I can't pick, but I am going to give you some sort of a verdict. If I was just looking at them, to me, I would definitely pick the J.Crew factory one. I just think this is prettier. I think I like the pattern more, but for the price point, I feel like $59 versus $18 is a significant price difference with this one, and I feel like you're getting the same look and the same quality with this one. So in this case, because of the price, I think I'm gonna go Walmart here. Some fun matching pajama sets for summer. I always like to update my pajama drawer just like every now and again. It's not something that I buy regularly or frequently, but when I do, I'm always really glad that I do because I tend to wear the exact same 2 pairs of pajamas over and over and over. So we'll go over the Walmart pair first. This is Joyspun, which is one of my favorite loungewear and pajama brands. I have most of the pajamas that I do wear are this brand. I've had great success with them. I feel like they hold up really well over time. And I think this set is adorable for summer. So the shorts are kind of like a boxer type. They've got elastic, they've got the buttons down the front, and then that little bit of lace trim at the bottom. And then the top is really cute as well. So this has button down, drawstring detail here, an adjustable strap on it, which I love, and then the lace detail. I was a little surprised to see this. A lot of the Joyspun pajamas are 100% polyester, which is not my favorite. This set is actually 100% cotton poplin as well. So this is really good quality, and I think this is on sale for like $11. I mean, the price point is insane for this, and I did size up to the medium in this one. Then this set really caught my eye on J.Crew Factory. In fact, I didn't know it was pajamas when I first put them in my cart, and then the fact that they were pajamas, it just kind of made it even cuter to me. But this is a little gingham set, so adorable. Smocked strap here, smocked all the way here, and then these are also kind of like a boxer short, but these just have the elastic. They don't have the buttons down the front, and they also have that little dolphin hem here with the slit, which is very cute. I got the medium in these as well, and I love how these fit. These are also 100% cotton, so very comparable quality-wise here. Price point is pretty significantly different. Again, this is $59 for this set, but in this case, I actually think I'm going to choose the J.Crew factory one, and this is another hard one that I'm kind of processing verbally real time here. I really like the price of the Walmart set. Again, there's nothing wrong with it, but this set to me looks like something that you could wear out, and that justifies the price difference, especially if you broke these apart. You could throw this top on with a pair of white jeans or denim shorts, and this is an appropriate top. It doesn't scream pajamas to me, but if you're traveling or you want something that's a little bit cutesy, I love wearing them as a pajama set, but even as a matching set, I feel like you could still get away with wearing this with a pair of sandals, and it just looks like a matching set. You don't really get that vibe with this one because of the boxer short, the buttons. I don't think you could wear this out without it looking like pajamas. So for me, I'm gonna go with the J.Crew as my fave on this one. Next, we have a pair of linen pull-on shorts, a summer classic. I love these. This kind of short, I tend to wear something like this even more than I do a denim short, especially in the heat of the summer. So we're gonna go over the J.Crew ones. These are very comparable looks-wise and fabric makeup-wise. The J.Crew factory are 55% linen, 45% viscose, and these I think are on sale for $16. So price is actually very comparable here as well, which is another thing to keep in mind when you're shopping. If you're thinking about Walmart prices, do check out J.Crew Factory sometimes, because sometimes the price point can even be lower there or very comparable to Walmart. And I don't think mentally we think that when we think J.Crew, but price point on these is great. So these have the drawstring, the pull-on. These I sized up to the size 6 in, which normally I wear a size 4, and I still felt like these were pretty tight. So the fit on these was not my favorite. I feel like they were a little bit slim in the leg opening for my body type. I carry my weight in my booty and in my thighs, and I like my shorts like this. If I'm doing a pull-on short, I want them to feel very flowy and very loose at the leg opening, and these were a little tight for my liking. Then we have the Walmart pair, which are 53% linen, 47% rayon, so very comparable quality-wise and material-wise. These also have the pull-on, the drawstring. These are a little bit higher waisted, or at least I felt like I could pull them up a bit higher. They had a little bit more length to them, and these have a wider leg opening, which personally for my body type, I definitely prefer. Price point is very comparable. Actually, these are a little bit more expensive. I think these are $17. The J.Crew Factory are $16, but I like the fit of these significantly better. So I did size up to the medium in these also. I tend to size up in my shorts because I just like them to fit loose and flowy like that. They both have pockets. These I feel like even might be a little bit better lined, like they're not see-through at all. And I felt like if you were to wear a dark pair of underwear under these, you would have a problem with these. So in my opinion, I almost feel like the Walmart ones are even better quality, and I like the fit better. And last we have these two blue dresses. Now bear with me on this because these actually aren't all that similar. I just really liked the blue dresses and I ended up with both of them in my cart, and so we're throwing them in this video as a comparison. But honestly, both of these are so cute and I feel like are amazing for the price point. So we'll go over this Walmart one first. This is like a denim chambray. It is a very soft material and the styling of this is so cute. There's so many adorable details. It's smocked in the back, so it's got that little bit of stretch, button down right here in the front, and then it does have this drawstring, and this kind of has some nice like buoyancy and stretch to it as well. So this actually stays tied really nicely and isn't one that's going to get all wrinkled up like a lot of those ties are on dresses like this. This is more of a maxi dress. It comes down a little bit longer and has pockets, and I think this is just so cute. The Walmart one is 100% cotton and a $36 price point, and I have the small. Then next we have this adorable halter dress from J.Crew Factory, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I think this is my favorite thing from the entire video from either retailer. I think this is a dream. I put this on and I was feeling very like Rachel McAdams in The Notebook. Like there's something so classy about it, so classic, kind of old-timey. I love the halter. It's got the corseted type top here. It is smocked in the back for that little added comfort. It's double lined and layered in here. It does have pockets. The fit is so, so, so cute on. And I am wearing my true size 4 here. This one is 55% linen, 45% cotton, so it is great quality. Now, the price point on these two is pretty significant. The Walmart one is $36. This one, even half off, is $79, which I do feel like is a very high price point. But guys, this is one instance where I just have to truly go with what it looks like and how much more I like it. There's nothing wrong with the Walmart one. I love that one too. I think that one's very practical for workwear. But if I just want that really cutesy summer dress, I just can't not pick this one, even at the higher price point. I almost forgot I do have one other last little tiny thing for you. So these are some little shell hair clips. I had actually already purchased this one from J.Crew Factory, and then when I was browsing at Walmart, I happened to find this set of them from Walmart as well. I was like, well, that's a good comparison. Let's throw those in. So this one is a bit of a stronger clip. This one I think is $12 and it is larger, but the Walmart one, you get a pack of 4 of them and they're $5 for the entire pack. So I think if you're doing like smaller amounts of hair, or if you have little girls that you want these for, get the Walmart ones. These are amazing. I am personally going to say that the J.Crew one is my favorite just because this feels like a more durable clip, and I like to do my entire head of hair in one clip if I'm doing a claw clip a lot, and so I think this one's a little bit more functional for that. So for the final tally, J.Crew Factory came out in the lead in my opinion. I would love to know in the comments if you agreed with me or not, if you preferred the Walmart items or the J.Crew Factory items here. I do feel like I was pretty surprised at how even the comparison was here. I really didn't know how this was gonna go, but I do feel like the price points were more comparable in a lot of the items than I was expecting. Lower prices at the J.Crew Factory than I was expecting, and better quality items in the Walmart. So definitely check both out. I'll link everything at the shopping tags and in the description, and I'll see you next time.